Without a broker, you can't trade. But what exactly is a broker? And why do you need one? A broker is the middleman, the company or platform that connects you to the financial markets. When you want to buy or sell something, like a stock or a currency, you can't go directly to the exchange as an individual. Instead, the broker places your order in the market on your behalf. In simple words, the broker provides the tools, the trading platform, and the access you need to participate in the financial markets. Think of it like Amazon. When you shop on Amazon, you don't buy products directly from Amazon itself. Amazon is just the middleman that connects buyers with sellers. The same is true in trading. Your broker doesn't create the stocks or currencies. They simply connect you, the trader, with the market where those assets are traded. That's why choosing a broker wisely is so important. It's your gateway to the markets. Low fees, reliability, and a good platform can make a huge difference. In the next video, we'll take a look at the two most common order types every trader must know. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe for more trading basics.